Welcome to a fascinating journey into the social brain. Today we're exploring how the way we talk, listen, and deliberate as communities can literally shape our mental health. Think of it as a secret sauce that turns social interaction and marriage into powerful tools for well-being. You see, recent interdisciplinary research shows that mental health isn't just about biology or individual struggles, it's deeply connected to the quality of our collective ethical conversation. Imagine a world where community dialogues are like a well-done machine fostering understanding, compassion, and shared decision-making. While these conversations thrive, they engage our brain's reward circuits, think dopamine and oxytocin, making us feel connected and resilient. Positive social interaction can dial down the activity of the amygdala, the time brain region often associated with fear and social pain, helping us stay calm and balanced. Pretty amazing, right? But what happens when an ethical dialogue breaks down? When disagreements become heated or moral values clash, that's when trouble brews. Chronic conflict activates the stress responses in the HPA leading to elevated cortisol, inflammatory signals that can cause neuroinflammation. Over time, this can mess with brain areas like the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, which are essential for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. The result: mood swings, anxiety, depression, you name it. This breakdown in community communication can lead to what's called moral injury, a kind of psychological stress that hits hard when our moral compass feels elevated. It's not just in our heads. Neurobiologically, it shows up as disrupted brain connectivity and increased stress biomarkers. Social isolation and hostility make things worse, being a vicious cycle. Less dialogue leads to more tension, which leads to more neurobiological chaos. The cycle continues. So here's the uplifting part. Fostering ethical dialogue can act as a therapeutic superpower. Take the open dialogue approach, for example, it emphasizes community discussions involving parents, patients, families, and stakeholders. This method has some shown promising results in conditions like psychosis, helping to restore brain connectivity and release feel-good neurochemicals like oxytocin. It's like giving the brain a friendly reset button through conversation. On a broader scale, communities that promote respectful deliberation tend to be more resilient. They build trust, reduce social fragmentation, and lower stress levels across population. But justice and ethics can literally make us healthier, both mentally and physically. For researchers, this opens exciting new frontiers. Imagine blending neuroimaging with social science to measure how ethical dialogue impacts stress hormones and brain activity. We can track how improving community conversation might lead to measurable changes in brain circuits and overall mental health. The future calls for interdisciplinary teamwork, neuroscience, social ethicists, all working together to unlock the secrets of social healing. So what's next? How can we harness the power of ethical dialogue to feel heal and prevent mental health issues? Can community interventions reverse neurobiological damage caused by chronic stress? Answer lies in innovative studies that bridge molecules and moral circuits and communities. In the end, mental intelligence and individuals, social and proximal communities nurture ethical communication. Not only reduce stress and inflammation, but also strengthen the very neural pathways that keep us emotionally balanced. Breaking down walls and dialogue and building a bridge of understanding might just be the most powerful mental health intervention of all. So let's keep talking, listening, and deliberating, because in the grand symphony of community, every voice matters, and together we can create healthier, more compassionate societies.